The Nissan Kicks is a bold and stylish compact SUV designed for urban explorers who crave tech, safety, and distinctive looks. Blending sporty design with smart functionality, the Kicks stands out in the compact SUV segment with its youthful energy and practical features. It's built for drivers who want a mix of performance, comfort, and affordability wrapped in a sleek package. Ideal for city commutes and weekend getaways, the Kicks offers excellent value and a fun driving experience. Let's explore how it scores across exterior styling, interior features, engine performance, safety, and pricing. The Nissan Kicks boasts a striking exterior with its signature V-motion grille, boomerang-shaped LED headlights, and sharp body lines. In metallic silver, the vehicle exudes elegance and modernity. The blacked-out roof, floating design, and bold alloy wheels enhance its sporty stance. Compact yet dynamic, the Kicks is crafted for attention with functional roof rails, muscular wheel arches, and sleek wraparound taillights. Its aerodynamic design ensures a smooth drive, while contrasting color options add flair. Whether parked or in motion, the Kicks reflects Nissan's bold design language and youthful spirit, making it a stylish choice for modern drivers. Inside the Nissan Kicks, you're welcomed by a tech-forward, comfort-centric cabin. The dashboard features a floating 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Premium materials, contrast stitching, and D-cut steering elevate the feel. The spacious cabin offers excellent headroom and legroom, even in the rear seats. A 7-inch digital instrument cluster adds to the modern vibe. You also get automatic climate control, push-button start, and ample cargo space. Nissan's zero-gravity seats ensure fatigue-free journeys. Whether you're commuting or cruising, the interior blends comfort and technology to deliver a refined and connected driving experience. The Nissan Kicks comes powered by a refined 1.5L petrol engine that delivers around 105 horsepower and 142 Nm of torque. It's mated to either a 5-speed manual or CVT automatic transmission, providing smooth and efficient performance. Designed primarily for urban driving, the Kicks offers light steering, good ground clearance, and impressive fuel economy. While it's not a high-performance SUV, it delivers a balanced, comfortable ride ideal for daily use. The engine is tuned for reliability and low maintenance. Whether navigating traffic or cruising on highways, the Kicks maintains a stable and composed character throughout. Nissan Kicks places strong emphasis on safety with a comprehensive suite of features. It includes dual airbags, ABS with EBD, vehicle stability control, hill start assist, and a rear-view camera as standard. Higher trims also offer side and curtain airbags, brake assist, and traction control. The solid build quality and reinforced body structure contribute to occupant safety. ISO/FIX child seat anchors and rear parking sensors enhance peace of mind. Nissan's focus on intelligent mobility means the Kicks comes with advanced driver assist tech, ensuring protection in every journey. It's a compact SUV that doesn't compromise on safety. The Nissan Kicks offers great value in its segment, with prices starting from approximately $18,000 and going up to $24,000 depending on the variant and features. This makes it one of the most affordable compact SUVs with premium styling and advanced tech. The base model offers essential features, while higher trims add more convenience and safety tech. With competitive pricing, low maintenance costs, and excellent mileage, the Kicks becomes an attractive choice for budget-conscious buyers who want style and substance. It's ideal for young professionals and small families looking for a smart, budget-friendly SUV.